Instant messaging app WhatsApp is in trouble in India. After allegation of its platform being used to fuel mob lynching, WhatsApp is now faced with a new problem. Who monitors WhatsApp? Are they complying with the Indian law? Is WhatsApp above the law? These are the questions India's top court is asking. The Supreme Court has issued notice to WhatsApp, and the Indian government has sought an explanation on why they are not complying with the law of India. India's apex court was hearing a petition which alleged that the WhatsApp has failed to appoint a grievance officer as required by the law of the land. The petition claimed that WhatsApp is a foreign company with no office or service in India. It is required to have a grievance officer for user in India, but despite that, WhatsApp is being allowed to be operated unchecked in the country. The petition also said that the WhatsApp, for all practical purposes, is a telecom service provider and must follow those laws. It has been alleged that the social media giant does not comply with tax laws either in the country, despite over 200 million users using the app. The top court found merit in the petition and set a 4-week deadline for WhatsApp and the Indian authorities to respond. General elections are scheduled to take place in India in 2019, and platforms like WhatsApp will hold the power to influence the voter. The Model Code of Conduct kicks in 48 hours before voters cast their ballot, and campaigning is not permitted. At such a time, political parties can use WhatsApp and other such applications to sway the voters and influence the results. The petition said that in such a scenario, it is imperative that there be checks and balances in place for WhatsApp. The Indian government has pulled up WhatsApp on multiple occasions. Last week, WhatsApp CEO Chris Daniels met Indian Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad. The minister asked the company to immediately appoint a grievance officer and address concerns of the fake messages being circulated on its platform. That's not all. The firm is also under the scanner for its payment platform. The new feature called in-chat payment allows users to make payment to anyone from their WhatsApp contact list. It can be used to send and receive money, and that is adding to WhatsApp's woes. The petition filed in India's top court alleged that since WhatsApp did not have an India office as mandated by the information technology, it should not be allowed to go ahead with the payment service. Social networking giant Facebook, which owns WhatsApp, has appointed grievance redressal officer, but they are based outside India. The petition claimed that in order to provide payment services, WhatsApp must be directed to store data in Indian servers. This is as per the rules of the Reserve Bank of India. The petition also claimed that the app must pay taxes on income caused due to its operations in India. Given the user base of WhatsApp in India, which is the biggest market, the petition aims to make firm more accountable. But what is WhatsApp? An in-chat payment feature. The trial of the service was initiated in Feb this year. The feature is compatible with the unified payment interface, which means that money can be transferred without having to furnish a bank account number. It supports payments from several top banks and is accessible on a 24/7 basis through the year. Users need not opt out of the chat window to transfer money. The process is considered fast and convenient. Sending money would be as easy sending a photo or a message to your WhatsApp contact.